Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be focusing on how you can create a drop-down list on Excel. So as we can see, I've got some dumb data here where I've got the product ID, product and food type column. So what I'm going to do to create a drop-down list is head over to the data tab, and then on the data tab there is a data validation option. So if I click on that data validation option, what I'm going to do is now create my drop down list. So I'm going to select where I want to create the drop down list for. So if I go data validation, for the validation criteria we're going to create a list, and then for our source I'm simply just going to type the food types. So I've got meat, vegetables and fruit. So if I now press OK, you can now see that I can select my different category and food type that I want to associate with my products. So another way in which this can be done, so I'm just going to remove this validation here, so clear all, press OK, is I can have my food types here on the side, so meat, vegetables and fruit again, and now again I'm going to select the area that I want to add the drop down list for and go to list, and this time for the source I can simply select these different values that I want to use and then press OK. And once again we've got our different food types that we can select. So yeah, very easy to use in Excel and highly useful when you've got a particular use case, and yeah, would highly recommend using it, whether it's to save time or just for the way you want to insert the data into the spreadsheet. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.